We are going to get to that, but first, let's see what Tack Renata from FHIA has for us today.
We're often asked the question, you know, I have accordion shutters, so is it necessary to change out my windows or doors to provide better hurricane protection? And for this homeowner, that was the first question she asked. She was curious as to what the investment would look like for new doors and new windows, but she really had the accordion shutters. She'd been in the home for over 20 years. The accordion shutters are getting a little older, a little bit more difficult to open and close for her, and she also wanted something changed out for her doors because it was difficult to open and close the doors. It wasn't providing her any energy efficiency, and she also wanted something that would update the look of the home. So we talked about several different options, from going with a sliding glass door that wouldn't provide hurricane protection because she has permanent shutters. She ultimately decided if she was going to make the investment in updating her doors to go with hurricane protection, and she chose this product from Custom Window Systems for a few different reasons. Yes, it will provide her the hurricane impact glass that she was looking for, but she also wanted something really energy efficient. It was one of her bigger reasons. So we ordered it with the Solar Max technology, which is going to reflect all the heat away from the door, making it a lot more comfortable in her home. She also wanted to update the look of the doors, so we went with the vinyl frame, the white vinyl, which will be maintenance free for her, and it also provides her with a lifetime warranty, so she'll never have to change the doors out again. She's going to love how easy the doors are going to open and close as well, and they also come with the screen, so on days where she wanted the fresh air, she'll have the screens installed to do so. So there's going to be a lot of changes and a lot of enhancements, going from her old sliding glass door with the accordion shutters to the new sliding glass doors that are going to provide her better hurricane protection and more energy efficiency, and really update the look of the house. And it's going to be a lot more comfortable in her living room, and it's going to save her a lot of money on her energy bills. She's going to love the decision. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.